This is the game that I'll be making today using chatgpt in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And I will not code a single line by myself. So let's get started. Let me open code editor and Chrome in a single screen so that I can manage things easily. Let's open chatgpt. Here first I'm explaining about my project, that what I wanted to do. Now once I will explain my project, I will ask chatgpt to write code for the same. So here asking chatgpt to write HTML and CSS for the game.
You know who made it.
Done. So let me copy this from here and paste it in my code editor. And run. Okay, so it has made 9 boxes that is present in tic-tac-toe game, but the orientation is not in the proper manner. So let me go back to chatgpt and explain what the actual problem is and what I wanted to do. So I've explained to GPT about what the problem is. Now it is writing the code again. Now again, copy, paste, and run. Here it goes. This is what I wanted, and GPT has provided. So thanks to GPT again. It's time to ask GPT to code.js file to write its logic. Okay, here I am creating a new folder in tic-tac-toe folder, and in JS folder I'll be making one file called index.js, and then I'll be linking it with HTML. So I need to change my src in a script as well. Here I need to do js/index.js. Done. Now run. It's time to test. You can clearly see that 0 is winning the game here, but it's not showing the message that which player won the game. So there might be a problem of some logic or something, I don't know. So let's go back to GPT again and ask what the problem is. There is one more problem that I have encountered. After winning the game, still you can click on the board and add X or 0. Okay, so that is also I need to cater. And there is one more problem, that on clicking the reset button I was not able to reset the board. Let's resolve the reset problem. So I'm writing to GPT that reset function is not working. So there are a few changes. Let's copy and paste it again. But the problem is, on clicking the reset button, I am not able to clear the board. So let me view my console. What the problem I'm getting? So if you can see, it's reading cannot set. It's showing cannot set property of null. You know who made it. Okay. So what you have to do is just copy this error and paste it in GPT and explain that what you want and what this is doing. So yeah, there was a problem. It has added one div tag below the button. I'll do the same. Now reset. Yeah, it's working. It's working fine. Now game is working fine, really fine. Now let's design a little bit. It is just my gratitude towards GPT, just saying thanks a lot. Now asking it to write some CSS to decorate the board. Let's see how it do it. So it has written, just copy and paste. The board is looking very, very, very colorful. So finally the tic-tac-toe with the help of ChatGPT has completed. Thank you so much. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button. If you have any problem regarding this, you can comment down below.